Hey guys, welcome to Drawing Art Fun and Enjoy. Today, we're drawing the sassy and super cool Kuromi from Sanrio. Try to draw with me. Let's begin by drawing Kuromi's head. Start by sketching a big oval shape. Then, add 2 little curved lines on each side for her cheeks. Make sure the top is slightly pointy, so it gives that signature Kuromi look. Then draw the ears, nose and eyes. Kuromi always has that cheeky look, so make sure to give her some expression. Now let's move on to her body. Then, draw her tiny hands and feet, and let's add some heart around her. Once you're happy with your sketch, it's time to go over your lines with a darker pen or marker to make Kuromi pop. Now for the fun part, coloring. Grab your favorite colors and let's bring Kuromi to life. And that's it everyone, you've just drawn Kuromi from Sanrio. How awesome is that? Be sure to share your drawings with me in the comments below, or leave a comment for your suggestion drawing and we will try to draw in our next video. So don't forget to subscribe for more cute and fun drawing tutorials.